Hello to you my gorgeous nail lovers. You're welcome back to Nail Vibes, the channel that gives you the very best and unique and trendy acrylic nail art designs. Today in this video, I have the best collections of new and trendy acrylic nail art designs for you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. So in case you are seeing this video on my channel for the very first time, or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button, and as you do that, turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. So my gorgeous ladies, watching this video which I have for you today, you will see that I have the perfect compilations of new and trendy acrylic nail art designs. Watch the video from beginning to its end in order for you not to miss a single slide. And as you watch, do support this video by hitting the like button, okay? Give this video a thumbs up, and also feel free to share it to your friends and loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. Thank you guys so much. So at the end of the video, ladies, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my videos or my channel in general. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. You can also watch from there and make your choices. Thank you so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Please do not forget to hit the like button and turn on the notification. Bye for now.